Hey, this is the Stihl blade to go on your weed eater. He's gonna cut that tree down right there and show you how fast that thing will cut. It's on an old Stihl, about 20 years old.
How fast? 74.
And that's how fast that blade will go through a tree that size. So if you're looking for something to clear a small brush, we're going to do some pines right here too. You got tangled up in briars a little bit there.
Got a tree behind it. Hang on, I'm going to just lay it right there and you can take it. You get the track.
He actually cut that whole entire big old pine tree there down with that blade. He's just going to push it and let it fall over. Alright, I'm going to help him get it up. Y'all have a good one.